DirectX function GetDeviceRemovedReason failed with DXGI error device hung, close quote. Fix DXGI error device hung, GetDeviceRemovedReason error in DirectX. This error usually means your GPU stopped responding during rendering, often due to unstable overclocking, outdated drivers, or game engine bugs. Try these steps to fix. 1. Update GPU drivers. NVIDIA, use GeForce Experience or nvidia.com/drivers. Please open your app to see this link. AMD, amd.com/n/support. Please open your app to see this link. Hasher 2. Turn off overclocking if enabled. Reset your GPU to factory clock speeds, MSI Afterburner, BIOS, etc. Har 3. Force TDR delay, registry fix. Increase GPU timeout to prevent Windows from killing the driver too early. 1. Press Win-R, type regedit, press Enter. 2. Navigate to HKE local machine system current control set control graphics drivers. 3. Right-click Duward 32-bit, name it, TDR delay. 4. Double-click and set value equals 10. 5. Restart your PC. Open quote, if TDR delay already exists, just change the value to 10, close quote. 4. Run the game as administrator. Right-click your game, run as administrator. 5. Disable in-game overlays, Discord, NVIDIA, Xbox Game Bar. These can sometimes conflict with DirectX rendering. 6. Verify game files. If using Steam Epic, right-click Game Properties, verify integrity of game files. 7. Lower graphics settings. In some games, this error is triggered by high settings on weaker GPUs. Lower shadows, post-processing, and ray tracing, if enabled. Optional, advanced, reinstall DirectX via DirectX end-user runtime. Please open your app to see this link. Use DDU, display driver uninstaller, to fully reinstall your graphics driver if problems persist. Let me know the game and GPU you're using. If the issue still happens, I'll give specific tweaks for your setup.